Sounds like a gravity puzzle. Ooh, I wonder what's inside. You do too? Cool. What's really going on, PEZ collecting fans? Josh the PEZ guy here. On the PEZ Book channel. Do me a favor. Questions. Comments. Anti-tape. Unacceptable. Concerns. Any and everything down below. Oh, this is cool. Set right there anywhere. Now then. All right. Oh, wow. Okay, so this is made of wood. I got all choked up on the coolness of this. So we have this piece here. I have this piece here. And this piece here. A couple more over here. Like so. All right, so I'm going to show you what these different pieces that I have laying here will do. So I take this, and I'm going to put it it's not fitting in the hole. Wait a minute. I don't want to break it, man. Hopefully I'm doing this right. Okay. So there it is. It's where it needs to be. Now I'm going to take my PEZ dispenser, open it up, take this piece here, and put it inside like so, maybe? You have to push the candy button down first. Yeah, there we go. Okay, now it's going to stay open. That's really cool. Now I can advertise my autograph on the inner sleeve of my PEZ dispenser. Very cool. Very cool. Here, let's do this. So there are some more pieces here. So I have this little shoe with a little nub on it. Instead of turning it upside down and putting it here and saying I don't know what I'm talking about, I do know what I'm talking about. So we'll put this right here. And there we go. Now we have our dispenser that we can stand next to our pops and display the autograph. Very cool. Very cool. An extra piece too. So these are made by Larry Mason. I know Larry Mason has some cool ideas, and this one right here, absolutely amazing to show off your autographs. So be sure to check him out. So until next time.